Hello everyone, my name is S.K. Karthikeyan, Associate Professor, Kongunadu College of Engineering and Technology. So today we are going to see a topic electrical wiring and its needs. So we are going to see some types of electrical wiring and its needs. From the unit 2 electrical systems in building from the subject building services, we are going to see that topic today. So first one we are going to see selection of wiring system. So this is the selection of wiring is based on the safety, durability, appearance, the mechanical protection, accessibility, low initial cost and low maintenance cost. So these are all the parameters that we are going to consider during the selection of wiring system. Now coming to see the types of electrical wiring system, we have some topics. The topics are cleat wiring, wooden casing and capping wiring, CTS or TRS or PVC sheath wiring, lead sheathed or metal sheathed wiring and conduit wiring. So the first one is cleat wiring. So cleat means it's an ordinary type of arrangement. You have seen the arrangement in the picture. You see there is a small box. That box houses the incoming and outgoing wire for the electrical bulb. So the cleat is a box like arrangement that houses the wire and it gives the gripness of the arrangement that gives the support to the moving wires. So it's an ordinary arrangement that houses a VAR wire, that means vulcanized Indian rubber wire, or PVC polyvinyl chloride wire, insulated wires. So these are all the types of wires we are using here. So cleat wiring is it's a temporary wiring method that is not suitable for permanent usages. So now we are going to see the application and advantages for this. So before that, cleat is nothing but a box like arrangement that give a gripness to the moving wire in the on the wall. So gate provide the correct spacing between the wires and it gives the gripness to the wires on the wall. Coming to the application, cleat wiring is very suitable for temporary installation in dry places, particularly in dry places. And this is not suitable for the domestic premises. That is, for permanent usages, you never going to choose this kind of cleat wiring. Coming to the advantages, it is very easy and cheapest wiring system. It need very less skilled operators, that is person that going to do the electrical connection, and the inspection is very easy, and alteration and addition in anywhere is very easy. Coming to the disadvantages, it is purely temporary wiring system, so not used for permanent, and appearance is not good. And coming to the atmosphere capability, when it is exposure to atmosphere means it gives a poor output. So you can face a injury, it may be a mechanical accidents, anything can happen. So we can use only for temporary arrangements. Coming to second one, wooden casing and capping arrangements. Casing and capping, that means it's a provision that hold the wire securely, firmly in the on the wall or somewhere in the building arrangement. You have seen this picture. This picture shows two-way, three-way capping. That means that houses three wires or two wires in the path. So the wires may be of VIR or PVC type of insulated cables. The advantage is coming to this one. This is better than cleat wiring, but it gives some good insulation and as conductors are apart, it provides good mechanical strength, easy to inspect by opening the capping. Coming to disadvantages, it's a costly compared with the cleat wiring, and it is very risk of fire. So having a wooden or plastic type capping is needed a special designed labors. The labor cost is more because when you go for preferring wooden casing means carpenter is the prime worker. He has to design that arrangement. So it increase the total cost of the system. Okay, next one, batten or CTS, TRS or PVC sheath wiring. Sheath means it's a cover kind. It's a kind of a cover. Sheathing means covering. So here we are using a type of cover. PVC is the material, that is polyvinyl chloride. So that houses the wire. So that gives the a gripness up to some level. So we can use single lead or double type of cores or 3-core TRS cables in the arrangement. So it may be circular or oval shape of arrangement they can use. So usually we are using only single cables. So this is the arrangement that is used in olden days. So olden days building having this kind of batten type of arrangements. Coming to the application of that arrangement, so it is suitable for low voltage application and very ordinary lighting purposes. And coming to the advantages, the appearance is good, the life is sufficiently long, it can withstand the action of most chemicals such as acids and alkalines, and its installation is easy and quick compared to the casing capping. So it is a cheap compared to casing capping and metal conduit and lead sheathed wiring. Coming to the disadvantages, the wiring is not recommended for situation exposed to sunlight or rain or unless the preventive steps are taken. So when you exposure to sunlight or rain of that is water means we can face the mechanical damages or any accidental activities. So coming to next one, we are going to see lead sheathed wiring. So here we are using lead aluminum alloy that contain the wire house that houses the wire. So that gives a grip strength to the wiring. So this will avoid the mechanical damages, moisture and atmospheric corrosion. So this is better than the previous arrangements. It is also a low voltage application. Next one is conduit wiring. Conduit means it's a pipeline that we can use for housing the wires. There are two type of arrangement we are using. One is surface conduit, another one is concealed conduit. Surface conduit is it's a open type of arrangement used in the olden days. You have seen in the pipeline in the wall. So that houses the wires. So we can easily alter the pipeline anywhere. We can increase or decrease the number of output from the pipelines. And conceal is the other type of arrangement, that is inbuilt of hidden arrangement of pipelines. That is, we can make a slot in the during the construction of building on the wall. So in that wall they are placing the pipelines, and they are after that they are closing that with the cement or some stones. So this is concealed. Coming to the advantages, conduct wiring having safest wiring system, and the appearance is very beautiful, and there is no risk of mechanical wear and tear and fire also, and we can easily alter the connections wherever you need. We can easily changes, and repairing and maintenance also easy. So there is no damage of wires due to the installation, that is insulation arrangements, and it is safe from the corrosion and risk of fire. So this is not affected by humidity and chemical or smoky areas. So there is no chance of electrical accident, that is electrical shocks. And coming to the disadvantages of this one, it is expensive and very hard to find the defects in case of concealed. So inbuilt type of wiring means it is very difficult. So, and also the installation is not easy and simple. This is deal with the concealed wiring. So that's all today. Thank you all.